All right, so what a morning. I woke up last night. I chose to stop what I was working on to focus on some family things, you know, connect with my kids while my husband's out of town at this holiday time, and didn't finish what I needed to finish. And so I wake up this morning and there's no internet. The router died. And this has actually been a problem because something was on the fritz because the Wi-Fi was being sketchy, and then I had to use my Ethernet cord to even really connect to the Wi-Fi or to the internet. And it just decided to die on the 22nd. So when I called in to them, they're like, well, we can come out January 2nd for you. And I'm like, that's not going to work. So, I am really grateful that I kept my cool, and I'm like, well, what are the possible solutions? We can go buy a router. We can try to find a router that we have had in the house and try to get it going. Anyway, it's okay. It is what it is. I've had some tech challenges for the last while, actually, and I don't know what that's about, but so now they said they could just call me and said that they can come tomorrow. Tomorrow they'll be here between 8 and 5 to repair our router. So please, let's hope that they don't postpone. And I'm going to have a gift for that technician because that sucks to go do that on December 23rd. But also because I really appreciate what they do, because why is it that I'm so dependent on internet? Isn't that weird? Our world is weird now. So now I might try to see if I can use my hotspot on my phone, but that's a lot of information processing to do that. I don't know. And I could also just go finish a couple errands and planning for Christmas Eve. We'll see. So, way to start day 10 of Mercury Retrograde. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so just to recap, it was actually quite an interesting day. By the afternoon, I had an appointment with them to come fix our wireless internet. And then somehow by magic, the technician stopped by today and made me feel, I don't know if I felt stupid, but the fix was actually quite simple. It was a button on the ceiling, the plug that had gone off, power surge had turned it off, so you had to press the button to reset. Yeah, it's on the ceiling, needed to be pressed, and then everything worked again. So my whole day got thrown for that, which was okay because I got other things done, but the one thing I was doing for work didn't. So that will resume tomorrow. But otherwise, it was some more Christmas completion of projects and just time as a family, which was good, and some good connection with other people. So that is all. I have some time tomorrow morning that I want to review the last 10 days of Mercury retrograde, because the first 10 days are different than the second 10 days. And I think there will be an opportunity to, make that transition and learn from it through some extra review. So here we go, on to the second half of Mercury retrograde.